and saying we did not keep polythene in the.
Welcomes to all of you here. A very warm welcome to all of you. Myself Reema Deepak Chauhan, Deputy Mayor Manesar. Now MCM is also including with you all of you, and we are promising that we'll be a great part of this NGO or Green Pencil Foundation. And thank you so much for this warm welcome.
Team and all the delegates and all our Green Pencil family members, a very warm and green welcome to you all. It is my sincere pleasure to welcome you all today on behalf of the Green Pencil Foundation as a member of this family. We gather here to celebrate, reflect and commit ourselves anew to the mission of this remarkable NGO. We engage volunteers and partners in drives to reduce pollution, plant trees, adopt sustainable practices and mobilize grassroots transformations. Needless to say why eventually societies. Education becomes not just academic but life-changing. At the Green Pencil Foundation, we see all these strands as interconnected, empowered minds inhabit empowered communities living on a resilient planet. So moving towards the end of this welcome, today I invite each of you to join us today in this initiative and all stand as a beacon of hope. Grab the sapling. We'll remove the plastic, we'll tear the plastic, and we have dug holes here on the peripheries of this ground. So what we'll do is first we'll tear this plastic. We have plenty of soil here. What we'll do is that next we'll mix this fertilizer along with the soil. Then what we'll do, participation. As we have come to the end of this plantation drive now, I'd like to call another member from our Green Pencil Foundation family, Nitesh sir, to give the closing speech now.
Hi everyone, honorable delegates, distinguished guests, respected partners and dear friends. Good afternoon everyone or good evening everyone. Myself Nitesh Yadav, National Representative Foundation Representative Green Pencil Foundation, and it is my great honor to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks on behalf of the people of the Republic of Bharat and our organizing partners and also taskers. Today's evening beautifully reflects the essence of pure soul of people of Republic of India, that is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, meaning the whole world is our family. Environmental care is not a choice but a shared duty of ours or humanity. Let us continue to work hands to come. Thank you one and all.
Hi, this is Sandy Khanda. I'm founder of Green Pencil Foundation, and today on 12th of November we conducted a mega tree plantation drive in village Navada, Gurugram. in CSR collaboration with Taskus, where 43 global leaders of Taskus joined us in the drive. And the main agenda of drive is to develop a green wall within a 4 acres of land within the village with the support of Municipal Corporation Manesar Gurugram. And today we planted 500 plants with the support of Taskus, and Green Pencil Foundation along with Taskus is going to maintain these plants, and our agenda is to develop the green wall for the climate resilience, and in future these plants will give huge oxygen to the local residents of Sector 86 Gurugram and Nawada people. And all the foreign delegates and global leaders who participated in the drive, they put it their efforts for the sustainability and the way air pollution, the issue become in the India. So it definitely adds some sort of impact and values in terms of reduction of air pollution and in terms of carbon absorption. Again, I would like to say, and I would like to extend my thanks to all the local communities, including the villager of Nawada, Fatehpur village of Sector 86, and all the Taskus global leadership team and all the Green Pencil Foundation volunteers. With the efforts of these all people, this drive is possible, and this green wall initiative is possible, and this initiative definitely going to benefit all the local residents and the local community. So again, thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello to all. Myself Akash Mahato, National Operation Head, Green Pencil Foundation. Today we planted 500 plants under the Green Wall initiative with CSR partnership with Taskus with the support of Municipal Corporation Manesar. It was very nice experience to host delegates, Taskus leaders from Brazil, Mexico, USA. They also appreciate our initiative. They also did well. I would also thanks to our volunteers too and community members, because we could not make it happen support of volunteers, community member and Taskus. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Neha and I am the Green Pencil Foundation family member, and we did a plantation drive with the initiative of Green Wall, and we did 40 delegates with from different countries like Brazil, USA and many more. And it was really nice experience to doing the plantation here, and I think we have done 500 plants with this playground, and it was really nourishing and very nice experience to doing with it, and I really glad to be a part of this plantation drive, and a big thanks and big congratulations for the Green Pencil Foundation. Thank you.
Hi, I am co-founder of Green Pencil Foundation. आज हमारी तरफ से काफ़ी अच्छी एक्टिविटी हुई, जहाँ से हमारे पास मैक्सिको, यूएस और काफ़ी अलग अलग कंट्री से डेलीगेट आए थे। तो ये आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि क्रिकेट ग्राउंड है, इसके चारों तरफ हमने एक वॉल बनाई है जिसको हमने पेड़ पौधों से ढका है। तो 500 से ज़्यादा पेड़ पौधे हमने इसके चारों तरफ लगाए हैं, जिससे हमारे पास आए हुए बाहर के डेलीगेट्स ने भी हमें सपोर्ट किया, और इसके लिए हम उनके आभारी हैं और पूरी टास्कस टीम के भी आभारी हैं।
Hello everyone, it's me Jyoti this side, and we are feeling so honored to be here because we have just done a very nice program like plantation, and it is a program which brings some climate resilient. It's a climate resilient program, so it will reduce the carbon dioxide, and as we all know that the AQI of this place is little harsh, so it's just a small step towards a sustainable growth. So thank you for this.